The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. English, English, English. Why we have to learn English? Why it's an international language? Why English is very important for us? There are so many questions in our mind, right? Dear friends, today I'm here for sharing these answers with you. Let me introduce myself at first. This is 𝒑𝒐𝒌𝒆𝒏 𝑬𝒏𝒈𝐍𝒑 in front of all of you. I'm a student of Hathajari Government College. Besides this, I'm also a luckiest student of Prime English Academy. Today I'm here for sharing my opinion and my beautiful journey with Prime English Academy. Read English, learn English, speak English. This terms is very hesitating for us, right? Did you ever think that why it's very hesitating? Most of my friends will give the answer no. But this is the high time to think about it. Nowadays, whenever you go, you have to speak English. You have to communicate with others in English because it's a global language. So, as a global language, people can understand it easily and master it quickly. Dear friends, now I would like to share my story with you. At a certain time, I was very weak in English. I couldn't speak English well enough. That time, I thought that English is very difficult for me to learn. But some of my friends and cousins spoke with me in English. That time, I felt so shy and angry because I couldn't speak English well with them. Basically, from this shyness and anger, my journey of learning English was started. After giving my Dakhil examination, I got admitted myself at Prime English Academy. Truly speaking, firstly, I was impressed by the environment of Prime. Then the teachers. The teachers were so well-mannered and they teaches the student such as friend. I felt very hesitating and nervous in my first classes because I couldn't understand anything. But the teachers inspired us and told us to practice more and more. Beside the classes, the teacher also organized some clubs, which is chat clubs, language clubs. The teachers giving us some important task, which is very important for us to learn English. Now, believe me, I think that English is the most easiest language in the world. After all, dear friends, I personally suggest to all of you that come to Prime, give a chance to yourself, bring fluency in your English language. Dear viewers, now I would like to conclude here today. I hope that you will accept my suggestion, and I'm very thankful to all of you for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. May Allah bless all of you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.